In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build templates and clonable kits in Adalo. We'll walk through starting a clean, reusable project that others can quickly clone and make their own while keeping things simple and organized. Begin by heading to Adalo and opening your existing app or dashboard. At the top, next to your app's name, use the control that lets you start a fresh project and select Create New App. This creates a dedicated space for your template or kit, separate from your production apps, which helps prevent accidental changes later. You'll be asked where users will access your app. Since templates and clonable kits are meant to work across multiple form factors, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop. This gives you responsive flexibility and avoids rebuilding layouts for different devices. When you've made that selection, click Next to continue. Now it's time to pick a starting point. You'll see options like blank desktop first and blank mobile first, plus ready-made categories such as classes, chat, shopping, and social media. These pre-built options include sample screens and flows, which can be useful when you want common patterns out of the box. For a versatile, shareable kit, choose blank desktop first. Starting blank keeps your structure minimal and avoids unwanted dependencies, which makes cloning cleaner for your users. Once you've picked your base, click Next. Give your app a clear, descriptive name. Including words like template or clonable kit in the name makes it obvious to collaborators and customers what this project is for. Keep it concise and avoid brand-specific language if you plan to share it publicly. Next, choose your primary color. This usually represents buttons, links, and key actions. Pick something with strong contrast against your backgrounds so text remains readable. Then choose your secondary color. This is great for accents, secondary buttons, or status indicators. If you're unsure, you can keep the palette neutral now and refine it later once your UI is in place. When you're happy with the basics, click Create. Adalo will spin up your new app and you'll land in the builder ready to design. From here, you can add screens, set up collections, and create example content that demonstrates how the kit works. Keep components modular, name everything clearly, and avoid hard-coding app-specific details so anyone who clones it can swap in their own data and branding. With that foundation in place, you've created a clean starting point that's easy to duplicate, adapt, and share as a template or clonable kit.